Hey everyone, it's Jack Fuki again. I'm back with another episode of my 1/500 scale airliner reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the Herpa Condor Berlin Airbus A320-214. This is Herpa catalog number 520744. It was released in 2011. It is still in production, so you should be able to pick it up at an online shop somewhere. It comes in the Peanuts colors with Condor Berlin and www.condor.com titles printed on it, and the plane is named Snoopy, and it is a new generation 5 model from Herpa. So there's been like 4 different versions of the model itself, of the plane itself, or of the mold. Yeah, I guess that's more proper, or the proper way to say it. Registration is D-AICE, has 2 CFM 56-5B4P engines, and that's pretty much it. You can see there on the box in the lower right is Lucy, over on the lower left is Woodstock, and in the upper left is Lucy's brother Linus hanging by his blanket. And of course there's Snoopy there on the back, Woodstock up there, and the measurements of the actual plane, and a picture of the actual plane. Now it does say Condor on it. It's actually Condor, I think, was bought by Thomas Cook. Condor used to be part of Lufthansa, but of course not anymore. There's Peppermint Patty with Woodstock. And there's Woodstock, Franklin, and Charlie Brown's sister Sally. And of course my favorite, Snoopy in his World War I flying gear. And there's Woodstock again. And Woodstock, Snoopy in his World War I stuff, and there is Charlie Brown. Here is the plane. Really nice. This is probably one of the best releases they've done in recent memory. This is part of a well, not so much a set, but Herpa did come out with 3 Condor planes with Snoopy colors on it. There was a 767. And then there was a 757-300, like the stretch version of the 300, or of the 757. Sorry, I got a little distracted. The neighbor's dogs are going crazy again. But right there you see little windshield wipers on or just below the cockpit. There's those little markings there. See the Condor bird insignia, Snoopy again. Basically all the images that are on the box are here. It does say Condor Berlin. And there's all the other characters. There's the website. Put the Condor logo on the engine. Nice engines there. Great detail to the wing. And of course there's the Thomas Cook tail. And also of note, the tail and the stabilizers are made of metal, which is a bonus. And of course there's the characters again. Yeah, unlike the ANA 747, this one didn't really change the characters on the other side, but that's alright. Different airline, different way of doing things. And there's the plane right there. This is A320 printed down there by the cargo door. It's kind of light blue belly, Herpa logo, more cargo doors, and of course has plastic landing gears. But that is your Condor A320 with the Peanuts colors, Snoopy colors, and I'll try and get the reviews of the other two planes from the series as soon as I can. But that'll do it for this episode. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Forgive the dogs in the background, and I'll see you in the next episode. Alright? Bye.